Good morning all of you. Today is the topic utility of GIS raster and vector data. Now I am Bhavati Prasad, Assistant Professor, Civil Engineering Department. Now we will discuss overview one of the most important topic in GIS, Geography Information System, which is types of data. In this presentation we will introduce type of geographic data in order of define them and differentiate between them, their characteristics and the uses of each one, their definition and how they is stored and used to geographic database, also their format. Now what is data modeling? As well as we know the importance of data and how the representation of data should be understood in order to achieve better result. The definition from GIS perspective will be divided into three sections. First one, data model. In information theory, a description of the rules by which data is defined, organized, queried and updated within a information system, usually a database management system. In GIS, as set of database design specification of object in a GIS application, a data modeling describes the thematic layers used in the application. For example, hamburger stands, roads and counties, their spatial representation, for example point, line or polygon, their attributes, their integrity rules and relationships, for example counties must nest within state, their cartography, portfolio and their metadata requirement. Now what is data modeling? Vector data modeling, a representation of the world using point, line and polygons. Vector model are useful for storing data that has discrete boundaries such as country borders, land parcels and streets. Now raster data model, a representation of the world as a surface divided into a regular grid of cells. Raster model are useful for storing data that vary continuously, as in an aerial photograph, a satellite image, a surface of chemical concentrations or an elevation surface. Now characteristics. First row characteristics and second row raster and third row vector. Now we will discuss first row characteristics, data structure, storage requirement and coordinate conversion and analysis, position, precision and accessibilities and display and output. Now you can show table. See raster and data, raster and vector column. Now we will discuss sources of data. As well as all we know that gathering data is important. The data should be meaningful, accurate to a point. So when collecting real-time GIS data or to store data should be from trusted resources. Now where to get data? First one from internet, second one geoservice, third one remote sensing, next scanned photo, next digital orthophoto. Now Collector for ArcGIS now find data samples from surveying. Now advantage and disadvantage of vector data. Now advantage, good representation of reality, more efficient data store, topology can be described in a network, accurate graphic. Now disadvantage is complex data structure, simulation may be difficult, and some spatial analysis operations are difficult or impossible to perform. Now advantage and disadvantage of raster data. Advantage, simply data structure, easy overlay, various kind of spatial analysis, uniform size and shape, cheaper technology. And disadvantage, large amount of data, less pretty, projection transformation is difficult, different scales between layers can be nightmare, and may lose information due to generalization. Now, thank you.